Kampiyon sa UAAP Men's Basketball Tournament ang UP Fighting Maroons matapos nilang talunin sa Game 3 ng Finals ang De La Salle Green Archers. Habang sa Women's Division, nabawi ng NU Lady Bulldogs ang korona mula sa UST Growling Tigresses. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho.
Revenge is completed! The NU Lady Bulldogs are once again queens of the UAAP.
Redemption complete. Yan ang na-achieve ng NU Lady Bulldogs at UP Fighting Maroons sa finals ng UAAP Season 87. Sa harap ng higit 25,000 fans sa Big Dome, hindi pumayag ang Fighting Maroons na ibigay ang Game 3 sa Green Archers na nagresulta nga sa kanilang panalo 66-62. Ang graduating player ng UP na si JD Kagulangan ang tinanghal na Finals MVP na naka 12 points, 4 assists and 3 steals.
Ito lang, sobrang happy ako na napunta ako sa programa ko. Pinalitan nila ako maayos. And deserve na UP ng manalo this season.
Double-double performance naman ang pinamalas ng kanilang sentro na si Quintin Meliora Brown na may 14 points, 10 rebounds and a block.
I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing to be able to end our season on a win. You know, so few people can say that they ended their season on a win, and you know, it's just something that I'll always look back at and smile.
Season 84 pa huling nag-champion ng UP. Aminado naman ang back-to-back MVP mula Lasal na si Kevin Kiambao na kinapos ang kanilang koponan.
For me, papahinga muna ako ngayon. Then, I think I have until this December. Pahinga muna ako and then I don't know what's next. Hindi ko pa alam.
2 squads from Sampaloc, 1 golden trophy. And the NU Lady Bulldogs proved that time and time again, the final bite is theirs to take. Matapos nilang agawin ang kampyonato sa UST Growling Tigresses, 78-73. Dikit ang laban sa first half ng Game 3, hanggang sa kumawala na sa third quarter ang NU, at hindi na nila ito binitawan. Finals MVP Shelo Pagdulagan recorded 21 points, 9 rebounds, 3 assists, and 3 steals. Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.